What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today we talk about two new YouTube updates. It is related to monetization for your YouTube channel. And I can see that there are two updates. So here is YouTube policy update, and you can see that latest update, YouTube partner program. So we have the first one and the second one. And I will put the link in the description for you to double check the information. It is important to verify the information on the internet because we have many guru and many other YouTubers talking about some dangerous thing and terrible thing, or you have to do something, you have to do something to avoid demonetize for your channel, but actually you do nothing is better. Okay, there are Vietnamese channel also, and many big channel are talking about this. So yeah, I make a video in my Vietnamese channel, it get a lot of views, so I think it's also many audience are concerning about this problem. So I decided to make a video on this channel. So in this video I will explain what is the update about and how to control the ad category in your YouTube studio, and also what is the second update about original and authentic content. What does they mean to you, and is it dangerous for you if you use AI to write video script and use AI to convert text to speech and use AI to generate image. Okay, so what to the end of the video. All right, so let's come to the first one, YouTube partner program. Okay, July 2025 update to ad sensitive categories. On July 15, the sensitive category bare skin image only will be removed in ad category in YouTube Studio. So this means that they will remove this category. So you are not able to block this category in your YouTube Studio anymore. By the way, as a content creator, I never block anything. Okay, so if you are new to YouTube, you don't care about blocking other people advertise on your channel or on your video, then just ignore this update. Okay, by the way, I will show you where's the ad category in your YouTube channel. Okay, for example, I can go to my channel, just a quick one. Okay, go to English, and this is one of my channel. Okay, one of my English channel. So the first way to access to ad category is to go to the Earn tab, and of course you have to be in your YouTube Studio. Go to the Earn tab and then select what page ads, and see here we have ad categories, and click manage, and you see go to ad categories, and we have URLs, so you can input URL here for blocking up to 500 URL. Okay, and next thing, sensitive category, and this is the category YouTube is talking about, bare skin, and we have an explanation here. So just someone don't wear a t-shirt like this. So now it is not possible to block this ad on your channel. Okay, so read more here, and you can block it right here. So just click this button to block. But now they will remove this category, and you need to go to this one, reference to sex, to block. Okay, so you will block the ads that is reference to sex. So this is the update. Okay, and for general category, you can block any category right here. So this is the first way to access this ad category. Okay, go to Earn tab, go to what page, and then add categories. By the way, you can go to setting here at the left corner, and you see add category here also. Okay, so that's easy, right? So this is the first update for YouTube monetization program. And the next one, yeah, here. So the next one, they are talking about upload original content or authentic content. YouTube is uploading our guidelines or their guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitive contents. This update better reflects what inauthentic content looks like today. So this is important because this is the community guideline. You cannot produce mass-produced content on YouTube. By the way, it is like you use the tools or AI tools or any automatic tools or automation tools to produce content. You just type a prompt, and then the tools or the computer will produce the video for you, upload for you, and make the thumbnail for you, and you don't have to do anything. Just let the machine run. That is YouTube automation. So YouTube will consider that is a violation of their monetization policy. So they will reset the monetization for that channel. So that includes AI content like generate script using AI, generate voiceover using AI, and generate image and visual using AI. Combine the visual, image, video, everything by AI. And after that, AI upload your video. So you do nothing. Just give a prompt for AI to make video, produce video day by day, and schedule your video. Today and the next day, you don't have to do anything. That is YouTube automation. Okay, so it's violate YouTube community guidelines. It is not able to do that kind of thing anymore. Now they will improve their system to recognize that action. But YouTube is not perfect and their system is not perfect. And maybe it can be wrong. It can identify your normal human AI channel. Like you write the script using AI and then you produce the image or visual by AI. But then you are the editor to edit your video. You combine the visual and combine the voiceover, everything, and you add effect and you add title. And then you export your video, you upload it to your YouTube channel and you optimize your title, optimize the description, tag, stuff like that, and you hit the publish button. That is human, that is not automation. Okay, so, but sometimes the system can be wrong. So it can recognize that content is mass production content and it can reset your channel monetization. By the way, whenever you get a reset notification from YouTube, you have a chance to appeal for the decision. Okay, so it is very easy. You just need to make a 5-minute video explaining what you do or what you normally do to produce content. It is not AI. It is not using the tool to produce mass production content. It is okay. All right, so these are all the information about the coming update in July 15, 2025. There is nothing to worry if you produce content like me. You film yourself and edit yourself. And even if you use AI to generate script, image, video, like just part by part, and then you edit all the part yourself. You don't have to worry. Okay, do not worry about this update because sometimes the system can be wrong, but you can make a video explaining about the process of making video and your channel will be monetized again. Okay, all right, so I think that's enough for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question regarding this problem, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you want to double check the information in this video, just go to the link in the description. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. And that's enough for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.